Hello, this is Mark from ApopkaLifeInsurance.com, and today I just wanted to take the time to explain the difference between term insurance and whole life insurance. The reason why I feel this is an issue is that when I'm out and about with my clientele, that's one of the first questions that I always get. So I'm going to attempt today to explain this the best I can. First of all, the difference between whole life and term insurance, and I'll start with term insurance, is that term insurance tends to be cheaper. And because of that, you know, whether the term be 10 years or 20 years, you can get more coverage, okay? Whole life insurance, on the other hand, tends to be a little more costly, but the good thing about whole life is that your price is fixed. If you're interested in keeping your policy for the whole of life, or you're not interested in ever being uninsured, whole life is for you. If you just need your insurance for a specific time period, say while your kids are growing up, or to protect that risk, or for a mortgage, then you go for term insurance. I have a couple of notes over here just to help you kind of remember. We'll go over here. Now remember, regardless, at some point in your life, you're going to buy life insurance. It doesn't matter. This is just an attempt, like I said before, to try to educate you between the differences. Like I was saying before, term versus whole life insurance, and I kind of play with those words. I prefer, if you're going to do term or whole life, the best thing is to get a package. Say for instance you get a smaller amount, excuse me for a second, smaller amount of insurance. Say we do 25,000 whole life, okay, and then we do 175,000 of term insurance. Your total benefit would be 200,000. If your product was 20 years, this will be paid up at the same time that if you wanted to drop your term insurance, you could. And that way you keep this on you for the rest of your life. Now again, you have to remember that insurance is pretty much caters to whatever situation. And it's always good to have options as opposed to not having any. Like I said before, I have a few notes here. Your term insurance is low cost, again, because of that you can get more coverage. And what a lot of people do with the money that they save by buying term insurance, they actually take the difference and they put it into their retirement fund or an investment to create wealth, okay? And again, just to knock over that, price goes up, okay, at the end of the term, whether it be 20 years or 10 years, because insurance is always based on age, non-tobacco status, tobacco status, gender, and it also has to do with health. Now going over to whole life, which is also affected by the same factors, you have a fixed price, which is good. It's paid up, has the ability to be paid up rather, and you also have cash value. Now you see I have an asterisk here. The reason why I have that there is because I'm not a huge fan of cash value. It builds kind of slowly. But again, that's just another added benefit. It's not bad, it's just the way it goes. And also the only con to whole life insurance is that it tends to be more costly than term insurance. Well, once again, I hope you enjoyed what I was saying and you learned at least a little bit from it. This is Mark from ApopkaLifeInsurance.com, and I hope you have a great day.